I often read sentences like this one, and I often hear people talk in a similar way, how amazing nature is and so forth. And I agree to a certain extent, because nature, what most people call nature, is God's creation, and of course it is perfect, and it is amazing, and it's wonderful how everything works. But there is a difference in worshipping nature and honoring God, the Creator. I give you an example. Someone paints a beautiful drawing, and you see the picture or the drawing, and you say, wow, amazing picture, amazing drawing, beautiful colors. But the point is, you should not adore the picture, you should not adore anything else that someone produces or makes. You should say, wow, the person that made this picture, this car, this whatever, astonishing skills this person has. And so much more, God's creation. He is the one who has created this earth, heaven and earth, and whenever we observe beautiful things in nature, we should stop and think for a moment and maybe say a prayer and give homage to the Creator. That's the big difference between worshipping nature, Mother Nature, and giving credit to the Almighty Father.